what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Coach Coco and I love volleyball. So today we're going to talk about how to become the team captain on your volleyball team. Let's get right into it. So if you want to be the team captain on your volleyball team, there are a couple of things you want to start doing right now. So a team captain is so much more than just a title. A team captain is really someone who really rallies the team together and kind of is the glue and the foundation of the team. So if you want to be the team captain, there's probably a couple of things you should be doing right now. So the team captain is really a liaison between the coach and the team. Your job is to provide a lot of leadership skills, really talk to your team, rally your team up, hype them up, get them really pumped up and ready to go. It's also important for the team captain to be able to communicate with the team and have really good communication skills. A lot of the times we'll see the setter be the team captain because the setter really controls the flow of the offensive game. So a lot of the times you'll see setter, but that's not always true. That's not always true. But that seems to be a common theme. We'll see the setter be the team captain. So if you want to be a team captain, there's probably a couple of things that you probably should be doing right now. A team captain really does have a really great communication skills, leadership skills, and the ability to hype the team up. In my previous experience at different levels of volleyball, at the high school level, our team captain was somebody who we could really depend on to be there for us, to talk to us, to really talk to us on an individual level, to hype us up as a unit, and really kind of bond a team together. My team captain planned bonding activities, things like that, to kind of bring us closer as a team because we're so much more than just volleyball players. We really want to be a team, and a team can translate to friendships too. So our team captain would always communicate with the coach and say, hey, coach wants us to do this, this is how we're going to work on things, or be somebody that we can talk to and someone who can really keep the team close together. So that means that when they have the captain's meeting before the game, the captain will go and talk to the ref and talk about, flip the coin to see who's going to serve, things like that. Or if there's a call during a game, a lot of the times they will call the captains up to be able to discuss that. And they also have a more direct relationship with the coach. So every player on the team has a relationship with the coach, but also the captain has a different kind of relationship. So the captain, because the coach really wants the captain to be able to grow that leadership, they'll talk to the team captain and the assistant team captain about things that they're going to do in practice, how they're going to play in practice, stuff like that, so that way they can then go to the team and say, hey guys, this is what we're going to do today, and really rally it together. They're really the hype man. So if you're thinking about being a team captain, the best thing to do is to show really great communication skills on the court early on. So calling mine, going up to the coach and introducing yourself, showing that you can fit into that leadership role. Also, being really supportive of your teammates. When you see a teammate get a serve in the net, say, hey, good game, you got it, next time, show them that you are a team player, show them that you're aggressive in terms of aggressive player. Also show them that you're really dedicated and up to putting the team really high on your list of responsibilities, because a team captain really high on the list of responsibility. So I hope that this video gave you a little bit more insight on how to be a volleyball team captain. If you're a volleyball team captain, put down below some of the things that you do, so that way somebody who wants to be one can see directly what's going on. I hope that you share this with somebody who really needs it, and I will see you guys next time.